This is Recharge by Real Growers. It's a professional strength microbial super pack. So it naturally recharges hardworking soil. It claims to produce stronger plants within 48 hours. I use these on my house plants and my outdoor vegetable garden. For application instruction, I would use a half a teaspoon per gallon of water every 7 to 10 days. For high performance application, use at double strength every other watering. I usually do the application every 7 to 10 days, but when it gets hot down here in the South, I do the high performance application. So the good thing about this is Recharge is compatible with any fertilizer program and it will not burn plants at any strength. I will tell you, if I get any of this on my plants, it will give the plants a brown color. Don't let that scare you. Here is a further breakdown of soil amendments. This is what it looks like on the inside. Brown, almost like soil. The good thing about this bag is that it's resealable, so you don't have to worry about putting it in another container for storage. I want to show you what it looks like when it's mixed with water. So if you saw, there was a clump that fell in there. Depending on how you store it, it will clump. So you might want to put this in a cool, dry place. I made the mistake of putting it out in my garden room where it was hot and it started to clump up. This is what it looks like when you mix it up. But if you let it sit for a while, the Recharge will settle to the bottom. So make sure you get it mixed very well before you apply to your plants.